I welcome you all to the third and flagship store for Anya, which is right here in Jayanagar 4th block on the High Street. Do come and check us out. And it's just been less than a year for us, and this is already our third store and the fourth one coming in Indranagar. Super excited, and thank you so much to Bengaluru for giving us all the love. I mean, I've been in Bangalore for more than 15 years now, and this city has just given me so much that I can't thank enough. I really, really look forward to hosting a lot of you, making all of your moments captured for life. And thank you so much for blessing us and giving us all the love. I look forward to your continued support as we continue to grow and open 30 more stores next year. A flat 20% off on solitaire diamonds, and you can also come and check out the new collection. There is also a lucky draw, which is today and tomorrow. You can win a 1 carat solitaire for yourself and make any jewelry out of it. We will fully customize it. So today there is a Raksha Bandhan as well. We want to celebrate the bond. We want every brother to be able to give gold and diamond jewelry to their sisters. No better time to come to Anya. Shop as many gift items as you want. Everything under 10K, all made in gold and diamonds. With
Our flagship store in Jayanagar, which is the heart of jewelry of Bangalore, right? And the collection we have brought, like you won't find this collection anywhere else. Like the champagne gold rings, the ice water color stone collection. Right? I would highly recommend just visit, see the collection, give us the feedback, and this will mean a lot to us. Thank you so much for the sir to come.
Thank you so much to Bhaskar sir for inaugurating Anya and giving us the pleasure to have his precious time dedicated to come and do the ribbon cutting and light the lamp for us. He's nothing but an inspiration to all of us youth. He's such an active person when it comes to doing something for the society, and we plan to imbibe that same culture in Anya as well.
ಹಿಮಾನಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಗೌರವ್ ಒಂದು ನೂತನವಾದ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಹೊಸ ಜನರೇಷನ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಿಮಾನಿ ಎಲ್ಲಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ IIT ಗುವಾಹಟಿಯಿಂದ ಅವರು ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಓದಿರೋರು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಗೌರವ್ IIT ಕಾನ್ಪುರ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ವಿದ್ಯೆ ಪಡೆದವ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಉದ್ಯೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋದಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷ. ಸುಮಾರು ದುಡ್ಡು ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸುಂದರವಾದ ಜಾಗ ಇದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವರ ತಂದೆ ಅವರು ಏರ್ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರು ಹರಿಯಾಣದಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ ಇನ್ವೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಬಹಳ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ
Of you and all the journalists and all the colleagues, all the friends, all relatives, those who have come on the launch of this beautiful inaugurations of this is our third store of Onya in a very short span of time. And Himani and Gaurav, they have very big visions to create about 100 stores across the countries. And I wish them best of luck. And I wish each one of the Bangalore resident will like their product. They are bringing new product, beautiful jewelry, which is affordable and which is luxurious to each one of us. And we all of us will save money and will look luxurious also at the same time. So I wish both of them best of luck, and I thank you, all of you, for coming here and blessing us. And I request each one of you please have refreshment.
I'm his sister. So, firstly, I want to congratulate both of them for this wonderful show. As it's our third show, feeling blessed. Like I have both of them like a wonderful star, and I want they grow more and more, and blessings with both of them. So, on the occasion of Raksha Bandhan, I want कि सब ब्रदर सिस्टर्स आए, ब्रदर अपनी सिस्टर्स को रिंग, डायमंड रिंग ओनिया की स्पेशल डायमंड रिंग गिफ्ट करे अपने सिस्टर्स को. एंड आगे कलेक्शन देखें, ब्यूटीफुल ब्यूटीफुल कलेक्शन है. जो भी सिस्टर लेना चाहे, जरूरी नहीं रिंग, हमारे पास पेंडेंट भी है, ज्वेलरी भी है.